Hi there, and for this video, we're gonna show you how to open a Chase bank account this 2025. Now, before we actually sign up to open an account, let's just briefly look at what they're offering, because it's important to have an intention with why we are trying to open up a Chase account. So in that way, we can find the best offers. These three are the most featured offers right now. It is investment with JP Morgan, open a business checking account, and with the offer of $500 if you have qualifying activities. Here on the Freedom Unlimited, we have a 200 bonus and you have cashback on purchase and with no annual fee as well. And here below, we even have a promo for new customers where once again, we have $100 for opening an account if we have qualifying transactions. Now here for college students, the qualifying transaction seems to be more concrete with at least an indication of how many qualifying transactions to get your $100 along with these terms and benefits that they mention here. But let's say we simply want to open an account. So let's click on open an account right here. You have an option to get a coupon via email, and here it shows how to get eligible for certain benefits. Now, as we can see, these are the 10 qualifying transactions that you have to complete within 60 days of the coupon enrollment. And as we can see, these 5 are what qualify. Your checking bonus will also appear within 15 days after completing the qualifying transactions. So here we have the time frame. Now let's see what they require. Let's click on open an account. And so here are the two main requirements that we'll need. We need a social security number and we need a driver's license or a state ID. You have to state if you're an existing customer or not. And let's get started. Now, of course, we'll have to enter our names as it appears on the ID that we are presenting. Now, for the purpose of this video, I will simply input my initials. You need to be at least 18 years old to apply. They'll need our email address and our phone number. We need our address. It will ask us for our citizenship. And if I say no, it will ask us if we have a green card. And at this point is where you need to input your social security number. Now just keep in mind that after your social security number, you will need your driver's license. But as it states, those will be the only required forms of identification that you'll need to open your Chase banking account. Now I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.